Welcome back to S1, Statistic 1, Chapter 2, Probability, and the first topic is general idea about probability. So probability or chance is a way of describing the likelihood of different possible outcomes occurring as a result of some experiment. So for example, when you have to sit for an exam, they provide you the 4 options. MCQ question A, B, C, and D. So if you have no idea what this question is talking about, you don't know what is it. If you circle them, one of them, you will not lose a mark. If you get it right, you will get more marks. So you will pick randomly B. But so the probability that you will get your correct answer, your answer correct is 1/4. Because maybe the answers of this question actually B, but you choose 1/4, so the probability that you will get it right is 1/4. So for the next part, in reality, probability, we have two types of them. First of all, the one called the theoretical estimation probability. So for this type, when you toss a coin, so the probability that you will get a head will be 1/2, because a coin has had two faces. One is a head, one is a tail. So for theory, according to theory, the probability that you will get a head is 1/2. But the other type is experimental estimation probability. That for this one, you have to do the real experiment. Like coin, this one is fair. Based on theory, we can have this estimation, but we do some experiment for this one. Like we toss a coin 20 times, so 12 times was a head, and we have a tail. So the probability in this case, P of head is 12/20. So 12 head over 20 times, we have 0.6. This one is 0.5. This one is called experimental probability. So the general rule to find the probability for an experimental estimation probability would be the P of x is equal to number of times that the event x happens over the total number of times that we have total here. So number of times that event x will happen, and over the total time that every single possible event happens. Like for example, if we toss a die for 20 times, and we have 15 head, and 5 tail. So probability of getting a head, once again, 15/20. Here is all the possible ways that you can get, and because we do it 20 times, and here we have 15 head. So the probability would be 7.75. The probability that we will get a head will be 0.75. So the next rule for the probability is that the probabilities of all possible events add up to 1. So we do the experiment again. We toss a coin, and we find that we have 7 head and 13 tail. So P of getting a hat equal to 7 over 7 plus 13, 7 over 20 equal to 0.35, and P of tail equal to 13 over 20 equal to 0.65. So Z2, so 0.35 plus 0.65 equal to 1. Because if this event happen, this event will not happen. If this event happen, this one will not happen. But in total, they both happen, so the total probability of them will be 1. So if you play a football match, there are 3 possibilities that given that the P that you will win, possibility that you will win 0.2, probability that you will lose equal to 0.6. So they wanted to find the probability that you will have a draw would be, because the total probability adds up to 1, because there are only 3 possible events. This one, win, lose, or draw. So all of them add up to 1. So 0.2 plus 0.6 plus x is the number that the probability of a draw. So it all add up to 1. So x will be equal to 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.6 equal to 0.2. So please remember that all possible events of the probabilities of all possible events always add up to 1. The probability of something cannot be greater than 1 because 1 is the maximum, and it also means 100%. Something can just occur after a limit of 100%, cannot be higher.